Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going inside a massive sheep wool mill to discover how raw fleece becomes premium wool clothing.
Every stage depends on precision, technology, and skilled craftsmanship. Together, these processes transform raw fleece into premium wool clothing.
Millions of pounds of sheep wool begin an extraordinary journey here. This is only the beginning of a remarkable transformation.
Every batch of fleece arrives directly from sheep farms across the region. Before processing can begin, every shipment must be carefully received. Fresh fleece contains natural oils, dirt, and plant material. But before clean wool can be produced, careful preparation is essential. Sorting determines how each fiber will be processed later. Careful classification improves quality throughout production.
Each strand of wool has unique natural characteristics. These details influence every step that follows.
Check the count on aisle 7, make sure it matches the manifest. Already on it, moving this batch to staging now.
The first stage of processing is now ready to begin. Every conveyor connects one operation to the next.
Regular testing ensures that only suitable wool enters production. Consistency begins long before manufacturing.
Every step moves the wool closer to transformation. The next process will remove years of natural impurities. The raw fleece is finally ready for its first major transformation. In the next chapter, the cleaning process begins. The first washing stage removes loose dirt and surface contaminants. Clean fiber begins with carefully controlled conditions. Each washing stage removes another layer of natural residue. Multiple baths ensure the wool is cleaned without damaging the fibers.
Excess water is removed between every cleaning stage. This keeps the washing process efficient and consistent.
The cleaning process also recovers valuable natural lanolin. Water is carefully filtered and reused throughout the factory.
Rinsing removes any remaining cleaning solution. The fibers begin to reveal their natural softness and color.
Drying prepares the wool for the next manufacturing stage. Temperature and airflow are carefully controlled to protect every fiber. After cleaning and drying, the wool becomes lighter and more uniform. The transformation is becoming clearly visible. Opening the wool improves airflow and fiber separation. This prepares the material for accurate processing ahead. Blending creates consistency across large production batches. Every garment begins with evenly prepared fibers. The wool is now clean, dry, and evenly prepared. The next chapter begins where loose fibers are transformed into continuous strands for manufacturing. Every roller improves the alignment of the fibers. Precision at this stage determines the quality of the final yarn.
The sensor reading is stable.
Yes, the quality is excellent today. We can increase the speed slightly.
Drawing improves fiber alignment and thickness. Each pass creates a stronger and more consistent strand. Twisting the fibers locks them together into durable wool yarn. This is one of the most important stages in production.
Every strand is produced under constant tension control. Uniform spinning ensures reliable performance during weaving.
The finished yarn is transported without interruption. Automation keeps production flowing efficiently from one department to the next.
The yarn is carefully prepared for weaving. Accurate threading is essential for producing high-quality fabric. Individual threads now become a strong woven fabric. Precision and timing keep every pattern perfectly aligned. The woven fabric is complete, but the finishing process has only begun. Every treatment improves comfort, appearance, and durability.
Steam allows the natural fibers to settle into their final structure. Careful control prevents unnecessary shrinkage.
Brushing lifts tiny surface fibers to create a softer finish. This process improves both texture and warmth. Precision shearing creates a uniform surface. Even the smallest irregularities are carefully removed.
Automated inspection identifies imperfections that are difficult to detect by eye. Consistency is maintained throughout every meter of fabric. Some details still required skilled human craftsmanship. Careful adjustments improve the final quality of the fabric.
Controlled pressing stabilizes the finished fabric. This gives the material its clean and professional appearance.
Every roll is measured with exceptional accuracy. Uniform dimensions are essential before cutting begins. Digital cutting minimizes waste while maintaining accuracy. Every pattern is positioned for maximum efficiency.
Final shaping gives every garment its intended form. Gentle steam protects the natural qualities of wool.
Each garment is prepared for safe handling. Protection begins before the product reaches its packaging.
Each package is identified for complete product traceability. Accurate labeling supports efficient distribution. The garments are now fully assembled and packaged. The next stage ensures every product meets the factory's highest quality standards before shipment. Every finished garment must pass strict quality inspection. Careful testing ensures consistent performance before shipment.
Precise measurements confirm that every garment matches factory specifications. Accuracy is essential for consistent sizing. Durability testing evaluates the strength of every fabric. Premium wool must retain its shape through repeated use.
Laboratory testing verifies the natural quality of the wool fibers. Every production batch is carefully documented. Repeated washing confirms the stability of the finished garments. Quality must remain consistent throughout everyday use.
Final adjustments complete the inspection process. Skilled hands ensure every garment meets premium standards.
Approved garments are carefully repackaged for shipment. Every sealed carton is fully verified before leaving the factory.
The approved products are prepared for safe transportation. Organized palletizing protects every shipment during delivery.
Quality inspection is now complete. The final chapter follows these finished garments as they begin their journey to customers around the world. After passing every inspection, the finished garments are ready for distribution. Months of careful manufacturing now reach their final stage. Every shipment is carefully organized before leaving the factory. Accurate logistics help ensure reliable global delivery. From the factory, premium wool clothing begins its journey across national and international markets. Efficient transportation connects production with customers. Distribution centers prepare products for individual retailers and customers. Automation keeps shipments moving with remarkable efficiency.
The finished garments are now ready for everyday use. Every product reflects the careful work completed throughout the factory.
Every fiber still carries the natural qualities of sheep wool. Precision manufacturing preserves softness, warmth, and durability. As finished garments reach the market, new fleece arrives at the factory. The production cycle begins again without interruption. Every stage depends on precision, technology, and skilled craftsmanship. Together, these processes transform raw fleece into premium wool clothing.
From freshly sheared fleece to premium wool clothing, every garment is the result of careful engineering and dedicated